Adjusting the screen size in OBS Studio is a straightforward process. To begin, open OBS Studio. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate 3 methods to adjust the screen size. The first method involves clicking on the line above the scenes and dragging it up or down to adjust the screen size accordingly. The second method is to click on the screen and adjust from the corner. This method maintains the aspect ratio of the recording screen. To change the aspect ratio, press Shift while adjusting the screen. To reset adjustments, press Ctrl-Z or go to Transform and click Reset Transform. The third method is to crop the screen before recording. First, click Reset Transform. Then, press Alt and adjust the screen to crop it. However, ensure that you click Reset Transform for this method to work correctly. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust the screen size in OBS Studio.